The message of my presentation mainly focused around the social and cultural values associated with drinking alcohol. That involves the places where people consume it, such as pubs, and the sorts of activities people enjoy whilst they're consuming, so particularly relating to friendship and other activities as well. I think there's possibly a cliche that the British drink to excess and drink heavily in what we might term binge drinking, in contrast to Europeans who are more relaxed and sociable with their drinking and drink alcohol alongside food with meal times in social settings. But I think that distinction is not as clear as it used to be. I think there's quite diverse drinking cultures in the UK at the moment. Some people still drink very heavily, but there's also a lot of very moderate drinking. And this often does take place around meal times and in venues like pubs, bars, cafes and restaurants, also within the home. It's a diverse picture, so I don't think we can generalise, but certainly there are maybe some differences between the UK and with European countries. Okay. I think the role of non-alcoholic beer is going to be very interesting. I think we're already seeing a lot of change and much more acceptance of non-alcoholic beer as an interesting choice or an option. I don't necessarily think non-alcoholic beer in the short term is going to replace alcoholic beer. I think more we'll see people integrate it into their consumer preferences and their choices. We'll also see non-alcoholic beer being consumed in places where alcoholic beer isn't traditionally consumed, so maybe around sporting activities, even as a health food product. So in the UK we're seeing some major chains of health food retailers starting to stock low and non-alcoholic beers as part of a healthy lifestyle. I think that will be very interesting and a trend that will continue to develop, particularly in the next 5 to 10 years. I think beer has a place in the adult diet. I think moderate consumption has been shown to be of value in a number of ways. My own research focuses on how moderate, healthy, sociable drinking can benefit people in terms of keeping them connected with other people, connected to their communities, giving them sociable and social opportunities. And I think that's where there are noticeable benefits. So yeah, I think beer consumption is, for many people, part of their lifestyle and well-being.